Hi, I'm Marsha Henderson, and before I wanted to start, I wanted to define two terms, which was key features, meaning the document describing the important characteristics of a plan to which your application relates, including its aims and associated risks, and also focus instructions. So, like the I do it method allows the teacher to establish the learning purposes and model the goal of the lesson. So, I'm going to teach you how to lock your phone down as far as your messages so they won't be shown because it shouldn't matter. The risk of this will be that you don't know that you have a text message until you go into your text messaging. But I mean, it works for the purpose that you want it to work for. So I would start off by going to settings. And then you would go down to your message box. So your screen will look like this, and you go all the way down to messages. So messages is right there. And then it says you have three options of focus, Siri and search, or notifications. So I will press notifications. And then, so right now, mines are off already. Yep, mines are off already. So I'm going to turn it on just to turn it off. So it says allow notifications, and uh, it gives you options. Do you want it to be a banner, um, on a lock screen, or notification center at all? It says all right there. And then for you not to have those options at all you have to do is press that allow notifications again. Then it goes away. So I'm going to receive a text message at this time to show you how it works. Okay, so I just received the text message, but I cannot see it. So I will have to press the button and get to it. Now it says the message right there at the top. Bye.